Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get thicker, fuller hair that exudes health and confidence. Morrocco Method has the perfect solution for you, the Lunar Thickening Collection. This curated selection of products is designed to promote new growth cycles in your hair follicles, ultimately leading to increased hair density and volume. Let's dive into this collection and see how it all works together. At the heart of the Thickening Collection is the Essent Shampoo, a powerhouse curated from a harmonious blend of botanical ingredients like prickly pear, aloe, and natural clay. By clearing away impurities and nurturing your hair at its roots, Essent Shampoo provides a clarifying refreshment for your scalp and lays the foundation for thicker and more fortified strands. For those who prefer a bar form, our Shampoo Bar is a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative within the Thickening Collection. Crafted with the same dedication to natural ingredients, this Shampoo Bar offers the same clarifying and volumizing benefits as its liquid counterpart. It's not only a convenient option to travel, but its compostable packaging is also a fantastic choice for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Complementing the shampoos is the Floating Lotus Conditioner, an essential part of the Thickening Collection. This conditioner is formulated with ingredients such as flaxseed, clary sage, and rosemary, all carefully selected to restore and hydrate even the most unruly hair. Floating Lotus not only offers detangling power, but also reduces frizz and leaves your hair easy to comb and brush out after your wash day. The result? Silky, smooth strands that contribute to increased volume and healthy growth. To enhance your volume even further, Morrocco Method recommends Amla Powder, a versatile ingredient with a range of benefits. Also known as Indian gooseberry, amla has been used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic practices for its nourishing properties. In the context of hair care, amla is renowned for its ability to reduce brassy tones in henna-dyed hair, making it a valuable addition to your routine if you indulge in henna treatments. By mixing it with warm water to create a yogurt-like consistency and applying it to your hair, amla can also be used to restore waves or curls from repeated henna use, providing a natural solution for those seeking enhanced curl definition. As an added bonus, it works great as an exfoliating face mask too. The finishing touch to your thickening hair care routine is the Sapphire Volumizing Mist. This leave-in conditioner is enhanced with natural grapeseed oil, making your hair look thicker and fuller soon after use, and promoting long-term thickening results. It works to heal hair follicles that may have been previously damaged due to synthetic hair color, perms, and environmental concerns. It also hydrates the hair and scalp, improving hair strand strength and controlling frizz and flyaways. Because it has antibacterial properties, it is also great for scalp issues like dandruff and can double as a refreshing body or facial spray for glowing skin. And don't forget about your lunar haircuts. March's spring equinox is an extremely powerful time to work on your thickening goal. Be sure to give yourself a trim and use your favorite Morrocco Method Lunar Thickening products on March 17th, 18th, or 19th, and again on April 9th and 10th. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.